हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू। मैं आपके लिए आज फिर 146 इन्वायरमेंट क्लास 5 का क्वेश्चन आंसर लेके आई हूँ। आप अगर बोलते हैं तो चैप्टर समझाने में आपको जब लगेगा कि हर चैप्टर को समझना है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिए, तो मैं हर चैप्टर को एक एक करके समझा दूंगी। और मुझे इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर डायरेक्टली लाई हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज कि सामने एकदम एग्ज़ाम है, तो आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको कॉपी करके याद जरूर कर लीजिएगा। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When all the vehicle stop when the signal turned red. How should walk on the road? We should not walk on the road. We should use always footpath, use to zebra crossing to cross to road. What is the license? One needs to learn driving and the appear for the examination after proper learning on passing the examination, a driving license or permission to drive is handed over. Why footpath bridge need on the road? In many places, pedestrians are forbidden to move on road. There they have to use footbridge. There are also subways or underground tunnels at different places. If anyone does not use footbridge, they cross road, accident may be occur. Next, which helmet we have to use? ISI mark. It is the harmful for the city's people. Vehicle smoke. What should be checked before driving? The car engine should be cleaned regularly. Beside the engine, tire, brake, light should be checked before driving. इसमें है ना, आप 1 नंबर और 2 नंबर देखिए, मैंने लिखा हुआ है, तो 1 नंबर और 2 नंबर लिख के ही आप इसको आंसर करेंगे। ओके। बी डिफिकल्ट टू ड्राइव ड्यूरिंग द क्लाउडी डे, वीक डे, लाइट इज फेबल. Answer: it is difficult to driving on the cloudy day or light is feeble. Often cars skid on wet road, brake do not working properly, so car should be drive slowly. What is the meaning of cathedral? Large church is called cathedral. 10 number, when could, what is the new rule? क्वेश्चन है, what is the new rule? If anyone driving motorcycle without helmet, क्वेश्चन है ये, आंसर होगा anyone driving motorcycle without helmet will be not get fuel for a vehicle. No helmet, no fuel. कितना अच्छा है ना, ये होना भी चाहिए, हर जन को मानना चाहिए, ये मेंटेन करना चाहिए. What will be happen when try to overtake to over vehicle, other vehicle? आंसर होगा रश ड्राइविंग will be huge problem, so many accident occur. It will be very dangerous moving both left and right ways. When the start racing the bus on the some route come along, they start racing with each other. Why should not give any force to drivers? Answer: if drivers are forced to speed up, it increase to risks of passenger leave too. Next, why the auto driver carrying more passengers? They should, answer होगा auto driver try to earn more profit. In the way they ignored the fact that life is more precious. 60 number, what we should be used during the driving? Safety belt, seat belt. Next होगा 70 number, can we parking everywhere our vehicle? Answer होगा no, we should the parking place or car parking area. 80 number, what is the subway of underground at difficult place? Answer होगा tunnel. 90 number. Why we should use to subway if anyone does not use subway to cross road, accident may be occur. ये मैंने पेज 146 आपका कंप्लीट करके दिया है. नेक्स्ट डे और भी दे दूंगी. टिल देन बाय बाय. तो बच्चों मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट जरूर करना चाहूँगी कि मेरा चैनल को प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट जरूर करें. टिल देन बाय बाय. जय हिंद. स्वस्थ रहिए, सुस्त रहिए.